How do you dress your tablescape when you're hosting a very special artist who is a blacksmith with lots of metal? That's what I figured. So I used some of my medieval looking music boxes, and I found some of our lava rock that looks like iron ore, those medieval looking chalices with the lights, and I got a couple of anvils and this very cute little sculpture of a blacksmith with his hammer and the forge, and then this very unique metal tree that I found at the flea market, a specialized flea market. And then lots of grays and blacks. Even the napkin rings are metal. They have the ribbons on them. And then very soft lights. So gray, black, metal that shines at night. So we were able to greet my latest guest for Ladies Who Lunch Conversations. It's Elizabeth Brim. She's a blacksmith artist. So cheers. Have some fun and creativity with your table.